Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're one of those backyard dippers who loves your pool but just wants the constant chemical hassle to be under control, this video is for you. Today we're looking at a seriously smart upgrade, the CircuPool Core Control. It's an electronic chlorine generator with built-in Wi-Fi that puts pool control right in the palm of your hand. Now, if you're tired of buying chlorine and babysitting your water, this is really a game changer. Let's open it up, take a look and see what's inside the box, and help you decide if this system is the right system for you. The Core Control series is more than just a salt chlorinator. It's a fully expandable automation platform with built-in remote connectivity. Right out of the box, it functions as a powerful Wi-Fi enabled chlorine generator, but the real beauty is how it can grow with your pool and your needs. The first level expansion adds pH and ORP sensors, allowing the system to monitor your water chemistry in real time. You'll be able to see exactly how your chlorine and pH levels are trending, get alerted when you need to know something, and best of all, the system is able to ensure pristine water all automatically by adjusting the chlorination based on your ORP readings. If you want to take it a step farther, there's a separate upgrade that allows the system to also control the pH levels by adding liquid acid as needed. Having continually balanced chlorine and pH levels really makes managing your pool balance practically hands-off. Okay? And for complete pool control, you can add yet another upgrade, equipment automation. This lets the Core Control system directly operate your pump, heater, lights, water features, and a whole lot more, all through the same app and control module without needing a separate automation box. The platform is designed to stay simple, but yet still give you the ability to scale up as you grow. Inside the box, you'll find the Core Control module, the central hub of the system. It's compact, wall-mounted, and houses all the ports needed for the salt cell, the cover sensor, and future upgrades for chemistry and equipment control. Its included Wi-Fi module allows you to easily connect to the My Pool app, and it also supports Bluetooth and Ethernet connections if you want a wired setup. Through the app, you can control settings, get real-time alerts, and review system performance history. You can also operate the system directly at the equipment pad using the onboard touch controls and LED status lights. The Core Control module automatically accepts 120 or 240 volts and can either be plugged into a protected outdoor outlet or hardwired. It includes a 12 to 72 hour turbo chlorination mode and cell saver technology, which helps extend the life of your salt cell. The cell is built with titanium plates for long-lasting performance, and it has the flow switch built directly into the body, so there's one less thing to install. It also features a clear housing, which makes it easy to see when it's time to be cleaned. Also in the box, you'll find plumbing unions and collars to make installation and servicing easy, a cleaning vessel to assist in cleaning the cell, a mounting template to help line everything up, as well as a detailed owner's manual that walks you through the setup, the app pairing, and how to use or expand the system. When it comes to installation, this is one of the most do-it-yourself friendly systems out there. Thanks to the built-in features, the compact design, and pre-configured wiring, most pool owners can install the basic Core Control in as little as 20 to 30 minutes. If you're interested in upgrading with chemical sensors, pH control, or equipment automation, those are covered in separate videos, so make sure to check those out or subscribe to catch the walkthroughs. Finally, the CircuPool Core Control, it's backed by an 8-year limited warranty, one of the longest and most competitive warranties in its class. It adds solid long-term value to your investment and helps ensure that you're covered for the years ahead. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help. I'll see you guys in the next one.